Hello everyone, welcome to Solely Science. In this video, we will study the experiment characteristics of solar cell. The first thing is aim of the experiment. It is to study the basic characteristics of solar cell and observe the spectral response. Next, apparatus required. We will be needing optical bench, solar cell, different color filters, tungsten bulb, AC source, ammeter, voltmeter, resistance box and some wires. Show the circuit diagram of this experiment. So the circuit diagram is quite simple. There are four major components. One is solar cell, then ammeter to measure current, voltmeter to measure voltage and a variable resistance. What are the formulas of this experiment? We have three formulas here. We have formula for fill factor, for power and for efficiency. What is the procedure of this experiment? First step is to do the connection as per the diagram provided. With the help of the circuit, we can control the voltage, current and ultimately the intensity of the bulb. So for obtaining the IV characteristics of solar cell, you need to put the solar cell exactly in front of the light source, that is the bulb, and switch it on. We will first measure the short circuit current denoted as ISC, and here RL will be equal to 0. Then in the next step, we will measure the open circuit voltage denoted as VOC, and here the RL will be maximum. Now we will start taking the main readings, and for this one you need to slowly vary the resistance and note down the corresponding changes in the values of voltage and current. And from the values of voltage and current, the power can be calculated. Next, plot the IV curve. Put voltage on x-axis and current on y-axis. You will have the IV curve. This completes the first part of the experiment. Now we will move to the second part, which is called as the spectral response. Here in the exact same setup, just introduce a filter between the bulb and solar cell. So we have bulb and solar cell, and in between these two components we will be introducing the filter. We will use different color filters like blue, green, yellow and red. For each color we have to note down the corresponding value of current obtained. This finishes the procedure. In this experiment, we will get two observation tables. The first one will have voltage, current and power value, while the second one, spectral response table, will have colors and their wavelengths on one side and the current value which is obtained on the other side. So here is the graph which will be obtained from the readings. ISC is the short circuit current, VOC is the open circuit voltage, IM and VM are the maximum values of current and voltages. Now after doing the calculations using the formulas, you can state the result as fill factor value was successfully obtained and spectral response of solar cell was studied. Lastly, the precaution that one needs to take while performing this experiment is avoid interference of external light since it will cause errors. And the next thing is don't do abrupt changes, instead vary resistance in slow steps to get proper readings. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will see the viva voce of this experiment. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and do subscribe to Solely Science. Thank you.